Looking for a simple way to protect your carpet and floors from heavy exercise equipment? This folding exercise mat offers a textured, non-slip pebble surface that's easy to clean and designed to handle the weight of your gear without damaging your floors. Sized at 3 feet wide by 7 feet long, it fits most machines like treadmills, stationary bikes, ellipticals, Pilates reformers, and even weights. The mat's 1/4 inch thick closed-cell foam cushions your floors while providing a sturdy base for your workouts. I was a bit skeptical before buying this mat, especially after reading mixed reviews. But after 6 months of daily use, it's clear this mat does exactly what I needed. It's tough and folds up neatly into 7 12-inch sections, making it easy to store when your treadmill is folded up. The key is to roll your treadmill straight onto the mat, front to back, to avoid any tears, just as I did. My treadmill is large and heavy, yet the mat held up perfectly without any damage or slipping. It's been a game changer for protecting my new carpet from divots and wear caused by the treadmill's feet. To take protection a step further, I placed large furniture moving discs under the treadmill feet. This setup ensures the weight is evenly distributed, preventing any marks on the mat or carpet. The result? No carpet divots, no mat damage, and a workout space that stays clean and safe. If you're looking for a durable, easy-to-use mat that keeps your floors intact while supporting your exercise routine, this folding mat is worth a look. Try it when you're ready and enjoy worry-free workouts with peace of mind.